We've all been there, trying to capture the perfect shot of a stunning landscape or a breathtaking skyline, only to realize that our smartphone camera just won't cut it. That's where travel telescopes come in handy. Whether you're a keen stargazer or a budding photographer, a good travel telescope can make all the difference in capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments. So we've scored the market and put together a list of the best travel telescopes out there. Get ready to take your travel photography to the next level. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the ABOTEC Telescope for adult astronomy. We were impressed with the ABOTEC Telescope. The 90mm multi-coated optical lens made the images clearer and brighter, and with a 32 times, 400 times high magnification, we were able to see the craters of the Moon, Saturn, and Jupiter. The telescope was also very portable and easy to set up, making it perfect for travel. The tripod, however, was not very stable, which caused shaking and made it difficult to focus. The telescope is not suitable for advanced stargazers who need more advanced features. And the telescope is not very durable and may break easily if not handled carefully. We would recommend the ABOTEC Telescope to beginners who are looking for a portable and easy-to-use telescope. In at number 4 is the Orion StarBlast 62mm Compact Travel Refractor Telescope. We had the chance to test out the Orion StarBlast and were impressed with its build quality and performance. The telescope is beautifully constructed and is a joy to look at as well as look through. During the day, we used the included 45-degree correct image diagonal to turn the telescope into a perfect deck telescope for scanning the scenic horizon or distant wildlife. It was great for catching sharp, detailed views of birds too. The 1.25-inch Crawford focuser of the StarBlast 62mm travel refractor accepts 1.25-inch telescope eyepieces and provides smooth, controlled focus adjustments for sharp, crisp views of any target. We used the included 20mm Plossl eyepiece to obtain wide, 26 times views. At just over a foot long with its lens shade retracted, the StarBlast packs a ton of performance into its small telescope body. It's great for any type of observing, day or night. Its telescope comes equipped with a narrow dovetail mounting block that features a 1/4-inch 20-threaded socket for easy attachment to either dovetail saddle-equipped telescope mounts or standard field or photo tripods. We highly recommend the Orion StarBlast 62mm Compact Travel Refractor Telescope for anyone looking for a high-quality travel telescope that is versatile and easy to use. The third product on our list is the Celestron NexStar 130 SLT computerized telescope. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use telescope, we highly recommend the Celestron NexStar. We took the Celestron NexStar on a camping trip, and we were blown away by its performance. The telescope's database of over 40,000 stars, galaxies, nebula, and more made it easy to locate objects in the night sky, and the large 130mm aperture offered fully color-corrected views that were perfect for astronomical use. Setting up the telescope was a bit finicky at first, but once we got the hang of it, it worked like a charm. The computerized hand control took some time to master, but the skyline alignment technology made aligning a breeze. We highly recommend the Celestron NexStar for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use telescope. It's compact and portable, making it easy to transport to your favorite observing sites, and the included Starry Night Basic Edition astronomy software adds even more value to an already great product. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the BCTO Telescope. If you're looking for a telescope that's easy to set up and use, the BCTO Telescope is a great choice. With its automatic tracking and finding star function, it's perfect for beginners and kids who want to explore the night sky. With its automatic tracking and finding star function, it's easy to use even for beginners, and the 80mm multi-coated optical lens ensures that you'll be able to see stars and planets clearly. If you're looking for a telescope that's easy to set up and use, we highly recommend the BCTO Telescope. The best travel telescopes is the Celestron NexStar 127 SLT computerized telescope. We highly recommend the Celestron NexStar 127 SLT for anyone looking for a compact, portable, and powerful telescope that is perfect for weekend camping trips or excursions to dark sky sites. The Celestron NexStar 127 SLT is a powerful and versatile telescope that can be used by adults and kids alike. With its compact form factor, it's easy to transport and assemble just about anywhere. The computerized hand control makes it easy to find and track objects in the night sky, and the Maxitov Cassegrain optical design provides clear, color-corrected views of celestial objects. One of the best features of this telescope is the skyline alignment technology, which allows you to align the telescope with the night sky in just a few minutes. Another great feature of this telescope is the included Starry Night Special Edition astronomy software. This software allows you to simulate the sky, learn about celestial objects, and plan your observing session. We highly recommend the Celestron NexStar 127 SLT for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile telescope that is easy to use and transport. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.